Hello students, welcome to all. In the last class, we have seen about the lesson Haragallu and about the senior clerk. Here, who is that senior clerk? Do you remember? Yes, that's Sudhamurthy's colleague. Who is that Sudhamurthy's colleague? Ratna. Isn't it? Do you remember what about Ratna we have seen? She is a middle-aged person, senior clerk. Then she was very cheerful to talk with other people. Isn't it? Here, in the last class we have end with that Sudhamurthy is asking to Ratna about how you are able to hear the stories of the problems of the people or the colleagues and how you are solving it. Like that, some questions are asking. Let me see what's given in the next paragraph. Ratna smiled and said simply, "They share their troubles with me." Here, what she was saying? She was smiling. She didn't know how to say the answer to that question. She was smiling and saying, "They share their troubles with me." Here, someone is needed to share the problems, isn't it? That's very important. Here in our classroom also, we used to say some incidents or the personal matters to our intimate friends, not to all students, isn't it? Here, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഇൻറ്റിമേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെ നമ്മൾ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്താ നമ്മളുടെ ബേർഡൻ ഒന്ന് കുറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഉണ്ടാവും. That's we are saying to the intimate students. Some people or some students, they won't like to share their problems with others. അവരുടെ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് മറ്റുള്ള ആളെടുത്ത് എന്താണ് പറയാൻ അവർക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുണ്ടാവില്ല. Isn't it? Here, what Ratna was saying here, they are sharing their troubles with me. They are sharing the troubles with me. Here, me is Ratna. Will they get any solution to that? Will you get any solution to your problems? Yes, sometimes we may get, but for many other things, others won't give any solution. For that, we have to find solution, isn't it? We have to find the solution. Here, let me see. But how can you solve the troubles? How can you solve the troubles of so many people? So many colleagues are in the room. How can you share the troubles or find solution to that? Many people are sharing their troubles. How can you manage that? How can you solve the problems? Do you always have an answer for them? Do you have answer for that? Is it enough? Here, like that, many questions are asked by Sudhamurthy to Ratna. Only I listen. Here, no, I only listen to their problems. I am only listening to their problems. None other than other. Here, is it enough? Hearing the problem is enough for us? We want some solution, isn't it? Here, and that is enough. That is the question here Sudhamurthy is asking. It's enough for them. That solve the problem. That's enough to solve the problem. I was young and incredulous at such a simplistic outlook. But Ratna answered with the same patience and affection that she must have used with all my colleagues. I am not a trained counselor or an intellectual, No one can solve your problem. You have to do it yourself. Here, your parents, example I will say one thing, your parents, they are coming and sharing the problems with us. Teachers know they are sharing their problems. What are the things you are doing in the house? Why you are not studying? Like that, they will say some troubles to us. And teachers should find some solution to that. Isn't it? Teachers should find some solution to that. Here, like that, here the colleagues, number of colleagues are asking some questions to whom? To Ratna. Here, that solved the problem. I was young and incredulous at such a simplistic outlook. I was young and incredulous. Here what is the meaning? Here incredulous means unbelievable. Incredulous. Meaning unbelievable. Unbelievable. Here, at such a simplistic outlook, she was very simple and she was watching. Here, Ratna was watching to the problems. Here, I was young and it was unbelievable at such a simplistic outlook. But Ratna answered with the same patience. But what Ratna is doing? She was very patient and affection to all the colleagues. She was very patient. She has patience and affection to all the colleagues. That she must have used with my colleagues. I am not a trained counselor. Who is not the trained counselor? Here, Ratna is not a trained counselor or an intellectual. She was not very intelligent to answer to this question. No one can solve your problems. No one can solve the problems. She may answer to that questions. She may answer to the problems, but not to all the things, isn't it? You have to do it yourself. You have to find problems for what that? You have to find solution to your problems. You have to find solution to your problems. Then how can you help them? By listening to them. Then how can you solve the problem? By only listening. Listening is not the answer. Here, only by listening, you cannot give answer or response. You have to reply to that question, isn't it? Here, then how can you help them? By listening to them. God has given me 2 years to listen to others. Here God has given 2 years for each and every person. For what is the need? What is the need of giving the years? Not only for caring for us. Here to share the problems. Here we want years. It is to solve the problems. It will reduce the burden of others. That's a good thing, isn't it? Reducing the burden of others is a good thing. That's very needed. Here, God has given me 2 years to listen to others. God has given 2 years to listen to all the people. I hear them out with sympathy and without any judgment. I hear them out with sympathy. I am hearing all their problems very sympathy. വളരെ സിമ്പതി ആയിട്ടാണ് എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രോബ്ലംസും കേൾക്കുന്നത്. But I have no answer to that. I have no answer for all the questions. I have no judgment. Here, when a person in trouble or under a lot of strain finds an outlet for their worries. If we have a number of burdens, we want relief from that, isn't it? We have needed some relief. So at that time what we are doing? We are sharing to others. Some people, they will get relief only when they share their troubles. അവർക്ക് എന്താണ് അവരുടെ ബേർഡൻ കുറയ്ക്കാൻ എപ്പോഴാണ് സാധിക്കുക? അവരുടെ ട്രബിൾസ് മറ്റുള്ള ആളുകളോട് പറയുമ്പോഴായിരിക്കും. Here, when a person in trouble or under a lot of strain, here finds an outlet for their worries. It relieves half their burden. It will relieve half their burden. Here next paragraph, let me see. I thought for some time and said, but don't you ever break the confidence and tell others the secrets you hear, even by mistake? Not even in my dreams. I consider that to be the worst kind of betrayal. I don't think there is a greater sin than betraying someone's confidence. They tell me their worries because they know I will never talk about it or gossip about it to another person. Only when they know their words are secure with me, they can talk to me freely. This way I can relieve their burden for a short while till they are ready to pick themselves up and carry on with their journey. So here, I thought for some time and said, but don't you ever break the confidence you tell others, the secrets you hear even by mistake. Here Sudhamurthy is asking to Ratna. What she was asking to Ratna? Will you tell the secret of your colleagues to others? Here at that time, here Ratna, what she was saying? No, I never say any secrets to others by mistake. Okay, here, but don't you ever break the confidence to tell others the secrets you hear, even by mistake. Okay, let me stop here and in the next class we can see. Okay, thank you.